Hey, this is Jeeps Rock. I want to talk to you real quick. We've been using the CarLock system for about 3 years now. It's a CarLock, and how it works is it plugs into your OBD2 sensor. And what it does is that is usually right underneath the column of your steering wheel column. And you'll want to make sure it's also compatible with your vehicle before you look into it a little bit further. But it is a monthly fee for this, and the reason for that is because it's actually got a GPS tracker in it. So you're going to get GPS tracking, as well as you'll get up to 5 SMS alerts every single month. And if you want to have more than that, you can have different plans, but you can also minimize that by making some of these disabled. But the ones that we want to make for sure is that when we get this, if this is like pulled immediately, somebody opens the door, pulls it off from the steering column, they're like, oh well, they just can take off. What's happened is it will immediately notify you on your phone. It's very, very loud. It pops up on a notification and it says it, it'll say different things. One will be like vibration detected, battery low, or it will also say device disconnected. So those are some things that you can do. Again, you can monitor that, you can disable it. It also, and this is the box it comes with, it says also you can monitor teenagers. Well, what that means is it's a GPS tracker, so you can see where they have been and where they may have not been, or where they may be going. So you can also track them if that's something that you want to do. It also has, again, I mentioned some a little bit earlier about the battery. So if the battery is low, it'll say battery low, and we have this Jeep here, and we also have a full-size refrigerator in the back. If that starts to run too low on our battery, it's going to tell us. So that's one other thing we don't have to worry about. We can just say, okay, hey, the battery's getting low. We either need to unplug it or think something differently, or maybe just replace the battery. There's a lot of different things, but again, it'll tell you the battery's low, and it'll show you exactly how much voltage it's on there. And then again, it's lets you, if you need to, you're sleeping, and then all of a sudden that phone is just going to start blaring that your device is connected. It won't say like a actual voice, but it will start making a noise letting you know, hey, it's been detected. I have forgotten a few times where I have it locked, and then when I open the vehicle and I start the vehicle, it starts blaring. I'm like, oh, so I got to get my phone out and I got to unlock it so that I can start and take off, or it's just going to keep doing that repeatedly until I turn off that lock. So again, this is all done by an app, and all you do is you can configure it. You can change the color, you can put screens, avatar, whatever you want to do. And I will show you some screenshots of what we have done with this particular vehicle, of actual live screenshots of things that I've captured over the years as well. And you can also even see, hey, am I being a good driver? Can I see my top speed, my low, my lowest speed, or exactly where have I been, even around here on this trail. I could see exactly how my trails have been mapped out, what I followed for the day, because it's all being tracked by GPS. So again, it's CarLock, CarLock. Again, this is what it looks like. It's just an OBD2 connector. And take a look at them, and maybe that will save you from maybe losing your vehicle from somebody still on it, or at least be notified, hey, it's being either moved, someone's messing with it, because the vibration will be first. And then if they do pull from the OBD2, then you're going to get another system that says device disconnected. So it's a really good system. Again, we've been using it for about 3 years, and it's great, especially if you're maybe parked for a while and you're not around. You're going to know right away that, hey, something's going on with your vehicle. So again, CarLock, connect the drive.